If you want to change icon size on the Redmi 15, you can, for example, open Settings, scroll down a little bit, and go to Personalization. Over here, you should be able to find icons, and over here, as you can see, we have icon size, so you can adjust the size of icons by moving left and right on the slider, and this is one of the ways, and one of the main ways actually. And there is also additional thing that you can do. If you go to Home Settings, then you should be able to find Home Screen Layout. And if you change the layout to something else, like for example 5:9, then of course we can make apps much smaller in the home screen. So this also has an impact on the size of icons or apps. And last but not least, you can open Settings again. And this time we're gonna go to, I believe it is home screen again. Yes, and then we're gonna go to home screen option here. And in here, you should be able to find light mode, which is also known as easy mode. And this option makes everything much bigger. So if you want to have extra big icons on the home screen, then you can have it like this. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.